So the evil little thing that they'll throw in sometimes, or that I'll throw in, is you'll get what they'll say, these are the areas, and they'll ask you something about the perimeters or the scale factor or the sides. So if I have an area, so I'm going to say area of one thing that's 100, an area of a second thing that's 400, all right, and it wants to know, hey, what's the scale factor? Okay, this is the scale factor squared. So to get to here, I have to take the square root. That's what that says right there. I take the square root. So I'm going to have 100 over 400, and I have to take the square root of that. The calculator will do that. Okay, so you put that into the calculator, and it will end up giving you, I think, 1/2 because it'll reduce it. Yeah, it'll end up giving you 1/2 because it will reduce it. But this is the scale factor. Now, how often does this happen? Very rarely. Okay, but you're going to see it mixed in when you go down through here, and just understand if you start out with the areas and you're working your way backwards to something else, you're probably going to have to take the square root. And that's kind of that top level of understanding that we're looking for. If you're trying to get in the 90s on roots of identity, these are these little things that, they're very minor, but in terms of proving that you're like really good at this stuff, they're things